Welcome back everybody to this new video to Express. Today, let's dive into the exciting world of DeepSeek AI. This is a powerful model and poised to revolutionize various industries. Let's explore how we can capitalize on its potential to make money. So you might want to understand what exactly is DeepSeek AI. So this DeepSeek basically is a cutting-edge AI model developed with a focus on code generation and some advanced languages understanding. Now, its ability to create high-quality code and process complex information makes it a valuable tool for developers, for businesses, and even from content creators. So the AI code development here, this DeepSeek is capable, of course, for freelance coding, AI code optimization, creating code templates, and building AI-powered development tools. With this information in mind, we can generate and, of course, to start earning some money here with what DeepSeek AI can do, so we can share it to the world. So, what can you do in here into DeepSeek? Well, you can do some content generation, you can power localization, you can script writing and storytelling, you can create AI-powered chatbots, and much more basically. So, the DeepSeek can assist with data analysis for businesses and so much more. So to get started, first of all, what I'm going to do here is to try the AI right now, and I'm going to add this into Chrome. I'm going to understand the risk and install this anyway. Let's see how we can get started with the DeepSeek right truly for free. I'm going to go and look out for Google Docs, and here I'm going to start with a blank document. Now, if I go to my extensions, what I'm going to do here is to make sure that the DeepSeek has now been correctly installed. Once the process has now been installed, you just want to open it. Normally, these extensions, since this from the DeepSeek AI, usually will be blocked depending on the browser you're currently using. So you might want to make sure that this one has now been correctly installed. Now that it's one has been installed, what I'm going to do here is to go back to Chrome once again, install anyway. Here it is, adding to the private browser, which is done. Just wait a few seconds here. There we go. We are now inside the DeepSeek AI. Now here to access, once again, here's the extension, here's the sidebar, and what I'm going to do here is to go for DeepSeek AI, and now here it is available. When I clicked here into DeepSeek, it's going to be pumped up this new element. So I'm going to log in with my Google account in order to continue. As you can see, this DeepSeek works a little bit as ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do here is to use think before responding to solve recent problems and search web unnecessarily. If you don't know how to get started, you can even ask the DeepSeek to earn money. So let's say I want to earn money as a freelancer in this application, which is Fiverr, which is one of the greatest freelance platforms to sell stuff. So with your capabilities, what can you do to help me do this project? And choose this option. Now the DeepSeek should be telling me, for example, here's the thinking idea. So it's going to be understanding what we're actually aiming for. This is the prompt, and basically when they think for the question, automatically we have now a strong answer depending on what is the deep thinking of it. For example, I can help you create a competitive freelance strategy by leveraging my capabilities into research, service ideas, graphic design, writing, programming, video editing. So I'm gonna now generate something new. For example, I love screenwriting, writing ideas. Meanwhile, this process has now been done here in DeepSeek. I'm gonna open a new tab, and I'm gonna go into Fiverr. Now, Fiverr, as I told you, is one of the greatest places to offer services as a freelancer. So we can continue with Google once again. Here it is. And what you can do once you have an account created, which is totally for free, I'm gonna go and sign in with Google really easily. And then to switch to selling, I go here for the option that says gigs. and I create my new gig. So I will, for example, here is a few ideas. So I'm going to go for step number 1, which is the gig title. I will write a captivating screenplay, short film script to a pilot. I will brainstorm the next 3 ideas. Here are some positive keywords, and basically the DeepSeek is going to be giving me elements that I can use for it. For example, here are my gig's description, my portfolio samples, the pricing and packaging, how much I can charge to add extras, tags and keywords, gig images and videos, promote your gig. Now I'm going to try with something else so you can see what the DeepSeek does. So let's say I want to offer code. Once again, DeepSeek is going to be understanding my question, and based on my question, it's going to be generating me a new answer. And I can work with the DeepSeek to offer these ideas with the client. This is, for example, just assuming that I already have my first gig into Fiverr, and somebody wanted to hire me, and they asked me for that kind of question, so I can consult DeepSeek to respond to this answer, and of course my creative process, and of course basically that will be actually it. So for example, syntactic soul, here's going to be generating my genre, my logline, unique angle, more titles, heart of steel, and so much more. So this is really awesome. It's like ChatGPT, but it also has more elements that we can overcome. So try to be more creative in here and use it for your own needs. So if you find this guide helpful, guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to TechExpress. You can let us know in the comments below how are you planning to use the DeepSeek AI. You can share your ideas in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully we can all see you next time.